Hey traders, I am the stock analyzer from StockHideout.com as well as InvestorsHub.com. And this weekend we're going to take a quick look at EIGH. It's a very popular stock. It had an intense run from 9 cents all the way up to 44 cents. And the stock has since kind of pulled back a little bit. I've had a ton of questions about EIGH in our stock chat room during the day, as well as on Investors Hub. So here's what I think about this chart. What I noticed first is that we're about 10 cents away from the first real support level, which is the 20 moving average line, and that's sitting at 20 cents. So EIGH, just by natural profit taking, a natural pullback. It's healthy to see a pullback when you're talking about a stock that ran up 3, 4, 500% depending on where you got in. So the fact that it may come back down and touch the 20 moving average line at 20 cents is not unrealistic. I think that may happen. Now, what we look for at that point is we obviously want to see the stock hold the 20 moving average line, because since the start of the run, it's been holding that really nicely. If it goes under 20 cents, I think that would be a sign of weakness, and at that point you'd obviously turn your attention to the 50 moving average line, which is sitting at 12 cents. But if the stock does rebound off 20 cents, we see resistance right now at 42 and 44. The MACD line is obviously underneath the red. That is a sell signal, just purely based on the past couple candles here for the past 3 or 4 days. We've had 3 out of the 4 days being red or down days. That's why you see that downward cross on the MAC histogram. The one positive thing about the fact that the stock's been selling off is that the volume hasn't been very strong. We've only had about 1 million shares traded on both the large down days, Friday being one and then Tuesday being the other one. So these 2 days, even though they're down 20%, there hasn't been a ton of volume. Relatively speaking to when the stock ran, we're seeing between 5 and 10 million shares traded per day. We're only seeing about 1.5 million shares traded on the downside. So if we can hold this 20 moving average line at 20 cents, there may be a possible reversal, maybe back up to 30, 35, maybe 40 cents. It'd be a sweet gain for EIGH. And that's pretty much how I see it right now based on the chart. If you have any questions, you can come check us out at StockHideout.com. We'll break down EIGH live during market hours in our chat room, or you can always check us out at InvestorsHub.com. Hey, and always, good luck and happy trading, and I have not been compensated to do this video for EIGH.